Hello, my name is Wahalele Ashim. In this video, I will explain the core components of a virtual machine and how virtualization is used in real-world business environment. I will also show how it helps organizations reduce cost, improve efficiency, and maintain system reliability. A virtual machine is a software-based computer that runs inside a physical computer. Even though it is not physical, it behaves like a real computer and can run its own operating system and application. Virtual machines are made possible by a hypervisor, which is software that manages and creates virtual environment on a physical system. This allows multiple virtual machines to run on a single physical computer, each acting independently. The bridge or the hypervisor is the main component that controls everything. It manages how physical resources like CPU, memory, and storage are shared between virtual machines. There are two types of hypervisors. There is type 1 and type 2. Type 1 hypervisors run directly on hardware and are used in large organizations. Type 2 hypervisors run on top of an operating system and are always used for testing or personal use. For example, companies like bank use type 1 hypervisor to run many systems securely on one server. Then we have hosting machine. Hosting machine is a physical machine, or it's the local machine we use. The host machine is the physical computer that provides the hardware resources needed to run virtual machine. For example, a company may have one powerful server acting as the host for multiple virtual systems. Then we have its operating system. Virtual machines have operating systems. Each virtual machine has its own guest operating system, such as Windows or Linux, and it runs independently from others. To simplify this, a virtual machine, for instance, a physical machine can be running on Windows 11 operating system, whereas virtual machine is running on Windows 10 operating system or Linux. So this means different systems can run at the same time on one machine without interfering with each other. Each virtual machine is given virtual hardware, including virtual CPU, memory storage, and network connection. The hypervisor decides how much memory or CPU power each virtual machine gets. One key feature is isolation. Each virtual machine operates independently. If one virtual machine crashes or gets infected with malware, the other continue running normally. In real world, businesses apply virtual machine. For example, in real world business applications uses virtual machines to reduce their costs, to recover their business continuity, to test and develop. For instance, virtualization is cost reduction. In traditional system, a company needs separate physical servers for different tasks, such as running website, database, and email system. Each server requires space, electricity, cooling, and maintenance. But virtualization, all of these tasks can run on one physical server using multiple virtual machines. buying 3 separate servers. A company can use one powerful server to run 3 virtual machines for email, database, and web hosting. This reduces hardware cost, electricity usage, and maintenance, saving the business a lot of money. Virtualization improves disaster recovery. Business can create snapshots, which are backups of virtual machines at a specific point of time. In companies, server crashes due to hardware failure or a cyber attack. They can quickly restore the virtual machines on another server. This reduces downtime and ensures the business continues operating without major losses. This is especially important for banks, hospitals, and online businesses where downtime can cause serious problems. In the development system, developers use virtualization in testing their software. Developers always need to test applications on different operating systems. For example, a developer can create one virtual machine running Windows and another machine running Linux to test how an application works on both systems. If something goes wrong, the virtual machine can simply be reset or deleted without affecting the main system. Virtualization allows business to scale easily as their needs to grow. Hardware boosts business to grow. For example, during a high website traffic, such as online sales, a company can quickly create more virtual machines to handle more users. This flexibility allows the business to respond quickly without buying new hardware. Virtual machines improve security through isolation. If one system is attacked, the other remains safe because they are separate. I conclude by saying virtual machines allow multiple operating systems to run on a single physical machine using a hypervisor. The main component includes the hypervisor, host machine, guest operating system, and virtualization. Virtualization helps in reducing cost, improves efficiency, enhances security, and ensures reliability system recovery. Because of these advantages, it is an essential technology in modern organization. Thank you for watching.